In today's digital age, the intersection of technology and creativity has paved the way for groundbreaking innovations in storytelling. One such innovation that has been making waves in the world of filmmaking is the concept of AI storytelling. This cutting-edge approach combines the power of artificial intelligence with the art of storytelling to create captivating narratives that push the boundaries of imagination. In this video, we will explore the fascinating realm of AI storytelling, focusing on the fusion of technology and creativity in crafting a sci-fi narrative with GPT-4o. Make sure you watch our video until the end to ensure you get to see how AI storytelling is a revolutionary technique that harnesses the capabilities of artificial intelligence to assist in the creation of compelling narratives. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI systems like GPT-4o can analyze vast amounts of data and generate coherent and engaging storylines. This not only streamlines the storytelling process but also opens up a world of possibilities for filmmakers and content creators. GPT-4o, in particular, has been at the forefront of enhancing the storytelling process by generating intricate and immersive sci-fi narratives. Its ability to understand context, predict outcomes, and mimic human-like language has revolutionized the way stories are crafted. From creating complex characters to building intricate plot twists, GPT-4o adds a layer of depth and sophistication to storytelling that was previously unimaginable. What makes AI storytelling with GPT-4o truly remarkable is its appeal to both tech enthusiasts and creatives alike. While tech enthusiasts marvel at the technical prowess of AI systems, creatives are drawn to the endless possibilities for storytelling and world building. This innovative approach bridges the gap between technology and art, offering a unique platform for collaboration and experimentation. Join us as we explore the art of AI storytelling and witness firsthand the seamless fusion of technology and creativity in crafting a sci-fi narrative with GPT-4o. Get ready to embark on a journey that challenges conventional storytelling norms and pushes the boundaries of imagination. Let's explore GPT-4o, the AI storyteller. GPT-4o stands at the forefront of AI storytelling, revolutionizing the way narratives are crafted and consumed. This advanced artificial intelligence system boasts a myriad of features that make it a powerful tool for storytellers looking to push the boundaries of creativity and imagination. From understanding context to generating coherent storylines, GPT-4o offers a seamless and efficient platform for crafting compelling narratives. One of the key features that sets GPT-4o apart is its ability to analyze and interpret vast amounts of data to generate engaging stories. By understanding the nuances of language and context, GPT-4o can create characters, settings, and plotlines that captivate audiences and immerse them in a world of fantasy and wonder. Its predictive capabilities allow it to anticipate plot twists and character developments, adding depth and complexity to the storytelling process. To showcase the creative potential of GPT-4o, let's dive into some examples of sci-fi stories generated by this AI storyteller. Imagine a futuristic world where humans coexist with sentient robots, grappling with ethical dilemmas and existential questions. Or picture a space opera set in a distant galaxy, where interstellar conflicts and alliances shape the fate of civilizations. These are just a glimpse of the endless possibilities that GPT-4o can bring to life through its storytelling prowess. The implications of using AI in storytelling are profound, with far-reaching effects on the creative process and the way stories are told. While some may view AI as a threat to traditional storytelling methods, others see it as a powerful tool for innovation and experimentation. By leveraging the capabilities of AI systems like GPT-4o, storytellers can explore new narrative structures, genres, and themes that were previously unattainable. The moral of the story is, GPT-4o represents a new frontier in storytelling, blending technology and creativity to redefine the art of narrative creation. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI storytelling, we are bound to witness a renaissance in storytelling that challenges conventions and inspires audiences around the world. Let's change directions and look into crafting the sci-fi narrative. Using GPT-4o to write and visualize an engaging sci-fi short film is a thrilling journey that combines the power of artificial intelligence with human creativity. The process involves several key steps that culminate in the creation of a captivating narrative that pushes the boundaries of imagination and storytelling. The first step in leveraging GPT-4o for story creation is to input prompts and parameters that guide the AI in generating a storyline. By providing key details such as character descriptions, setting, and plot points, storytellers can steer the direction of the narrative while allowing GPT-4o to fill in the gaps with its predictive capabilities. This collaborative approach ensures that the final story is a blend of human input and AI-generated content. Once the story has been generated, the next step is to visualize the narrative through various mediums such as storyboards, concept art, and visual effects. This process involves translating the written story into a visual format that brings the sci-fi world to life on screen. By working closely with artists, designers, and filmmakers, storytellers can enhance the visual appeal of the narrative and create a truly immersive experience for audiences. The collaborative nature of working with AI to develop a compelling narrative is a testament to the integration of technology and human creativity in the storytelling process. While AI systems like GPT-4o provide a powerful platform for generating ideas and storylines, it is the human touch that adds emotion, depth, and nuance to the narrative. By combining the strengths of AI with human creativity, storytellers can create stories that resonate with audiences on a profound level. Summing this up, crafting a sci-fi narrative with GPT-4o is a dynamic and innovative process that showcases the limitless possibilities of technology and creativity. By embracing the collaborative nature of working with AI and leveraging the strengths of both technology and human ingenuity, storytellers can push the boundaries of storytelling and create truly unforgettable cinematic experiences. We can check into this by visualizing the future, the world of sci-fi short film showcases. Welcome to the screening of our sci-fi short film created with the innovative assistance of GPT-4o. This showcase highlights the seamless synergy between AI-generated content and visual storytelling, offering a glimpse into the future of narrative creation and filmmaking. As the lights dim and the screen flickers to life, the sci-fi short film unfolds before your eyes, immersing you in a world crafted with the help of GPT-4o. The narrative, rich with intricate plot twists and compelling characters, showcases the power of AI in generating captivating storylines that push the boundaries of imagination. The visual elements and effects used in the film play a crucial role in enhancing the storytelling experience. From futuristic cityscapes to otherworldly creatures, each frame is meticulously designed to transport viewers to a world beyond their wildest dreams. The seamless integration of CGI, practical effects, and digital enhancements creates a visually stunning landscape that captivates and mesmerizes audiences. What sets this sci-fi short film apart is the harmonious blend of AI-generated content and human direction. While GPT-4o laid the foundation for the narrative, it was the creative input and vision of the filmmakers that brought the story to life on screen. The collaborative nature of working with AI allowed for a dynamic exchange of ideas and perspectives, resulting in a film that is both innovative and emotionally resonant. As the credits roll and the lights come back on, we invite you to reflect on the journey we have embarked on together. This sci-fi short film is a testament to the boundless possibilities that arise when technology and human creativity converge. By embracing the synergy between AI-generated content and visual storytelling, we have unlocked a new realm of storytelling that challenges conventions and inspires audiences to envision the future of cinema. If you have loved what you are watching so far, please watch this video until the end and click that subscribe button. Also, don't make the mistake of not liking or disliking our video. We really appreciate it, and it really motivates us to bring you even better content and learning resources from the world of AI. Have you heard about AI storytelling and the impact it is making in the world today? The impact of AI storytelling. What is it really about? The rise of AI-driven storytelling has sparked a revolution in the film industry and creative landscape, ushering in a new era of narrative creation and cinematic innovation. As we reflect on the implications of integrating AI in storytelling processes, we are faced with a myriad of potential benefits and challenges that shape the future of storytelling. One of the key benefits of AI-driven storytelling is its ability to streamline the creative process and generate compelling narratives at a rapid pace. By leveraging AI systems like GPT-4o, filmmakers and content creators can access a wealth of storytelling tools and resources that enhance their storytelling capabilities. This efficiency not only saves time and resources but also opens up new avenues for experimentation and exploration in storytelling. However, the integration of AI in storytelling processes also presents challenges that must be carefully considered. Ethical considerations surrounding AI-generated content, such as issues of authorship, intellectual property, and representation, raise important questions about the role of AI in shaping narratives and influencing creative decisions. As AI continues to play a larger role in storytelling, it is crucial for creators to navigate these ethical complexities with care and sensitivity. Audiences' reception of AI-generated content is another critical aspect to consider when exploring the impact of AI storytelling. While some viewers may embrace the innovative and immersive storytelling experiences offered by AI, others may express concerns about the authenticity and emotional depth of AI-generated narratives. Understanding and addressing these audience perceptions is essential for ensuring the success and acceptance of AI-driven storytelling in the creative landscape. Looking ahead, the future possibilities of AI storytelling are boundless, with endless opportunities for evolution and growth in filmmaking. As AI technology continues to advance and adapt to the needs of storytellers, we can expect to see new forms of storytelling emerge that challenge traditional norms and redefine the boundaries of creativity. By embracing the potential of AI-driven storytelling and navigating its challenges with care and foresight, we can pave the way for a future where technology and human creativity converge to create truly transformative cinematic experiences. In the Art of AI Storytelling video, we have explored the fascinating intersection of technology and creativity in crafting engaging narratives with GPT-4o. From discussing the concept of AI storytelling to showcasing the collaborative process of creating a sci-fi short film, we have witnessed the transformative power of AI in reshaping the storytelling landscape. Let's recap the key points discussed and encourage our viewers to engage with the content further. Blending technology and creativity is essential in crafting narratives that captivate and inspire audiences. The fusion of AI-driven tools like GPT-4o with human vision and storytelling expertise opens up a world of possibilities for creating immersive and innovative stories that push the boundaries of imagination. We invite viewers to explore AI storytelling further and experiment with GPT-4o to unleash their creativity and storytelling potential. By embracing the capabilities of AI systems like GPT-4o, storytellers can unlock new storytelling techniques, genres, and narrative structures that were previously out of reach. The future of storytelling is here, and it's waiting for you to explore and shape it. We encourage viewers to take action and engage with the content. Make sure you watch more of our videos, especially our video where we expose the idea of AI and blockchain technology merging to save the integrity of the democratic vote and our worldly elections. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest developments in AI storytelling. Like and share this video to spread the word about the world of technology-driven creativity. Together, we can continue to push the boundaries of storytelling and inspire a new generation of storytellers to embrace the art of AI storytelling. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing where your creativity takes you next.